Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set up a Phantom wallet. So guys, the first thing obviously that you need to do is go to the App Store and download the Phantom wallet. If you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to videos about the Phantom wallet where you can see how you can do this. Of course, then you just need to go and log in to your profile, but if you do not have one, you can always go and register, which we actually are going to do now. We're going to set up the Phantom wallet. So as you can see here, it says, welcome to Phantom. To get started, create a new wallet or import one from a seed phase. So you can create a wallet, or if you already have one, as you can see, you can click on I already have a wallet. Then you can click create a wallet. You have to protect your wallet. Okay, so as you can see, you can go and use your Face ID if you want to have some additional stuff about it. So here you have a secret recovery phrase if you want for your wallet, so you can do something. So I'm gonna, for instance, go and do this. Then you just, if you saved it, you just need to click OK, I save it somewhere, and then you will be heading to the next step, which is basically the last step where everything is on, so you can agree and click on get started. And there it is. You can get instant updates, so enable push notifications about completed transfers, swaps, and announcements. You can do that if you want, or you can enable it or not. Then it's basically created here. You can see that you have your account, you have the amount of dollars that you have some cryptocurrencies here, as you can see, Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, they're all here, and a lot of different options on the wallet. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.